So I'm feeling more bearish vibes long term right now. And that's with everything. But the market gave us bottom up reversals on Intel and Nvidia, which I capitalized on. My execution wasn't amazing. I feel like I sold a little too early, but it is a green day and I'm going to be happy with the green day. The only problem is I'm slightly pessimistic, and if I let my red days, which I have in the past multiple times, go past my max stop, it doesn't matter how many of these really good 0.35 to 0.5 days I have, they get wiped. So I'm going to try to remain, stable and just realize the fact that I'm not amazing at this yet. And I really need to hone in on those red days, hitting my max stops, and that's it. Be done. If I don't do that, a week of progress is erased. So yeah, I'm trying to remain grounded today. Overall though, let me just show you the trades. Today's a great day, and I hope you guys have a fantastic Tuesday. So this was my first trade of the day. This was on Intel. We had a sell off from the 50-50 mark on Intel. Pushed down. We bounced on this pre-market mapped out support, pushed up to the 9, and then rejected. I did get some of this downward move off the rejection of the push through this support. So I did get some of this move, which is great. And then this red line here, which is the long-term 1 to 4 hour trend line, the bullish trend line, I figured we'd bounce on it, and we did. So when I got the first 2-minute candle hold, I entered the position with a take profit of the downward trend line. So this line here, which is also the 9 EMA. So that was a really good trade. I didn't get the full move of that. I got only a portion of it. I think I sold a little early, which is typical of me, and we're going to try to be better at that. So the second trade of the day was Nvidia. So we had the same thing, a bottom up reversal. Now I did get to see this nice wick here on the 188.60 mark, and once we held the 2-minute here, I actually entered the position for a push to the 9 EMA, kind of like Intel. They just happened at different points in the day, which is great. SPY was pushing the market today. So we had a sell-off and then a steep reversal, and when we had that steep reversal, that's when we started seeing a lot of the tech stocks start to recover a little bit. They did not get the same move that SPY did on the reversal, and I think that's just because tech is generally a little dull lately and extremely volatile. So a lot of the bullish momentum is I feel it's like dying off a little bit. So I'm feeling more bearish vibes long term right now. And that's with everything. But anyways, that's just a personal opinion. I did get this candle to the 9 EMA, and this got pushed up to the pre-market mapped out area that I wanted to get to. I did not get the whole move, but it rejected off of that. I'm not sure where the market is right now. It was a 0.55% day. Lots to learn from, but that was my day. I hope you guys have a fantastic Tuesday.